If we further take a look at the spinal cord and imagine taking a look at a cross section of the spinal cord, we're going to find that the spinal cord contains two layers of tissue. The outside layer, which is the white matter of the spinal cord, is organized in a way that gives rise to the spinal columns. And in these columns, this is where you will find the tracts, which are made of collections of neurons that allow the transportation of information to and from the brain. On the inside of the spinal cord, this is where the gray matter tissue is found. And the gray matter tissue is organized and shaped in a way that gives rise to projections. And these projections are known as horns. And one of the functions of these projections or horns involves the formation of the spinal nerves.